happy that Woody died.
Okay, go rid of them. Yeah, I like getting rid of bodies. Hey, Sona, take
12.
and take it.
12 days later.
Yeah, I'm just gonna watch you. I don't want to
14 weeks later. I'm so... I miss Woody.
Why are you coughing so much?
I don't know, I haven't wanted to wait anything in years. Oh, weeks.
Actually, a month.
It's been a month? Oh,
Yeah.
So how's everything been?
Well, I have no clue. Just been watching you and nothing's happened.
Well, let's have a look.
Yeah, well,
Oh, guys, sorry about last episode when it was very depressing and Woody just died randomly. We don't want that to happen. So who knows? There.
Hi guys, I'm Payne. I'm one of the old characters. I want to groovy.
Dun, 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 dun. Wait, hold on. Wait, who are those?
They're your mom.
No, they're getting married. You may kiss the bride.
Isn't that? Wait, you're Mr. Puppet's son, and that's Mr. Puppet's wife.
No.
No, I'm not Mr. Puppet's son.
You're
Mr. Son.
I am his son, but this is not his wife.
Oh.
This is my wife now. It's a random woman with any of her. Hey, speaking of Mr. Puppet, where is he? Son, I see you, buddy. Don't make out with her for 5 days. Deal, Dad.
Is he named Megan?
No, not like the horror movie.
No, I mean just randomly.
No, it's Mabel from Gravity Falls.
Oh.
Wait. I'm having a heart attack. I'm having a heart attack. My heart pump. My heart.
Is he dead?
Dad. Give me my dad. My dad. I'm dying. Dad, no. What was that? I don't know. Dad, come on. He's dead.
Okay, give me that.
I'm so sorry. You know what? This is all your fault. You're the only reason I stopped Beatty feeding him. You know what? You don't die. You killed my father. You have killed most people in the series when we find out that people have died. I must end it. Okay, guys. I'm wondering why the hell have this season of Rain and be depression.
Hey, cameraman, stop trying to mess with Sophie's necklace.
Hold on, Jimmy. Well, the reason why is because I think that every season of show like Breaking Bad, every season of show should have like a sad episode or a sad moment. So I think that maybe it's time to change. Ooh!
Yes, get off him.
He died.
Wait, he's dead?
He just killed himself.
Okay, give me that.
I got fired. Can't believe I got fired. You're rehired. Yay! Uh-oh. That was total bad. Hey, haven't you noticed this random dead body? I'm sitting on a dead body. Oh, I fell.
Wait, you're sitting on a... Okay, give me that.
I'm flying. Dead out! I thought we banned you from being in this series. What do you mean? You sucked in the zombie series. We probably gonna get you. Yes. What do you mean? What
and then got abandoned and then reopened.
Oh, I know. When we had him in that one episode, made him a main character, and then it was like the 5th season of the series when we realised we should bring him back.
Yeah.
That was it.
It was a long time ago. He literally removed from the channel.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, remember we got rid of him from coming out, and then we brought him back, and then a bunch of other characters came out. The total opposite one of what happened.
We wanted no more characters, didn't we, guys? Hey, guys, I'm starting to think that I'm gonna die. I have an 8-ton adrenaline. And all the people are dying.
Wait, Stunty alive?
Cynthia alive? Let me check. Wait, no. I know what. He's a part of the Ed group. He's the one who turned Mario evil, and yes, he died. The power source took over his body.
Oh, so he
was-
died.
Yeah, when he was turning Mario into an Ed member.
For that information.
Wait! No! Guys! Before you toy or tell anybody about this kid channel, which have characters dying, just know that
I
they're
can
not
hear
dying.
the beast called a dog.
Oh no. No! Ah! A portal's carrying me!
Wait, what?
Oh.
You cannot go in there. If you go in there, I'm getting you.
No, you don't understand, dude. Yeah, I've made a cameraman. Do you remember that series when a portal opened up? In that one series?
Oh, yeah. I know.
That just happened. He just sucked in.
Oh, well, how do you explain this? A dead body.
That's it. The portal contained everybody, and the second everyone showed to make the power source. That's why everybody been dying.
He's dead?
That
I know. Like, just come looking missing.
Oh my god, every dead body is here.
Yeah, I collect them. That's my job. I get paid.
Why is Woody here? I thought he's gonna. Hold on. Is that the guy from Britain John? Ugh, I've been a corpse since we made that episode. What was that? I don't know. I just been cut open. I have a.
You've been
missing-
burnt.
Yeah. Also, as well as in Britain John in that episode.
That was a real fire.
Yeah, that was a spot here. I can't edit, or the cameraman, or the editor can't edit. He just cuts
Yeah.
things out.
Well, the editor's
Sometimes.
basically the cameraman.
Yeah.
We just changed the colour, and that's it, really. And we draw stuff.
Hold on. My intestines! My intestines are not dead!